Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing the timeline section of your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, over here on the left-hand side menu, click on Timeline. This will redirect us to the Timelines page. So over here on the upper right-hand side, you'll see the button to create the timeline. So if you don't have any timelines created yet, or if you want to create a new timeline, just click on this button and you will be redirected to the Create Timeline page. And then let's go back. So over here on the upper left, you will see three tabs. So we have the Active tab, the Archive tab, and then the Trash tab. We are currently on the Active tab. So from here, you can see the names of all your active timelines, the description you have for them, the live date for these timelines, the hosting platforms you have selected for them, and then over here to the right, we have the actions. So when you click on View, this will open your timeline where you can check its settings. And then when you click on the three dots, here are the options that you can select from. You can archive it, share it, duplicate it, delete it, or copy its setting. Also, we have here a search field. There are users with a lot of timelines created. So easiest way to locate a timeline is to type in the timeline's name, type in multi-event. As you can see, it brought up all the timelines with multi-event name on it. So going back, and these are the active timelines for your account. Now let's move over to the Archive tab. This is where you'll see all the timelines that you have archived. And to the right, you'll see that you have the same option to view it. From the three dots, the only thing that's different is the option to unarchive it or to remove it from archive. And then moving over to the Trash tab, this is where you'll see the timelines that has been deleted from your account. So for example, let's delete this one. And when you try to delete the timeline, you will be prompted if you're sure. And if you are, you have to type in the or delete and click on yes, delete now. And we'll get a message saying it has been deleted. So it will be moved over to the Trash tab. As you can see, it's over here. Now to the right, the only option that you have is to restore it. So if you want to restore a timeline, click on this one and you'll get a message saying it has been successfully restored. So when you go back to active, you'll see the timeline here again. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.